Dear friends, welcome to part 2 of our Human Blood Cells MCQ series. Before we jump in, let's do a quick blood cell power test for you. We got 5 rapid fire questions that will test your speed, memory and exam readiness in under 1 minute. And here is the best part. This video is loaded with some of the most important MCQs for your upcoming exams. So every second you watch could mean more marks on your scoreboard. By the way, if you missed part 1, the link is in description. Watch that too and complete the challenge. Let's go with the 5 rapid fire questions that will test your knowledge. Which blood cell increases in typhoid fever? Number 2, which blood cell transports carbon dioxide mainly? Number 3, which WBC removes dead cells? Number 4, which blood cell can live for years? And number 5, which organ stores platelets? Dear friends, lock in your answers now because as we go through today's MCQs, each of these questions will be revealed one by one. Alright, let's dive in. Which WBC is important in wound healing? Your options are monocytes, neutrophils, RBCs or basophils. The correct answer is A, that is monocytes. Macrophages derived from monocytes clear debris and stimulate tissue repair. Question number 52. Which WBC releases lysozyme to kill bacteria? Your options are monocytes, basophils, RBCs or platelets. The correct answer is A, that is monocytes. Monocytes and macrophages secretes lysozyme, an enzyme that breaks down bacterial cell walls. Question number 53. Which WBC is elevated in allergic rhinitis? Your options are eosinophils, monocytes, neutrophils or platelets. The correct answer is A, that is eosinophils. Eosinophils release chemicals during allergies, causing nasal inflammation. Question number 54. Which WBC is increased in whooping cough? Your options are lymphocytes, neutrophils, eosinophils or monocytes. The correct answer is A, that is lymphocytes. Lymphocyte count raises significantly in pertussis infection. Question number 55. Which blood cell disorder is characterized by excessive RBCs? Your options are leukopenia, polycythemia, anemia or thrombocytopenia. And the correct answer is B, that is polycythemia. Polycythemia increases blood viscosity, leading to higher risk of clotting. Question number 56. Which type of leukocyte has kidney-shaped nucleus? Your options are monocyte, lymphocyte, neutrophil or basophil. The correct answer is A, that is monocyte. Monocytes have a large kidney-shaped nucleus and abundant cytoplasm. Question number 57. Which blood cell can live for years? Do you remember the question, dear? This question was asked in the rapid fire list. Let's look at the options. Your options are neutrophils, memory lymphocytes, platelets or monocytes. And the correct answer is B, that is memory lymphocytes. Memory cells persist for years, maintaining immunity after infection or vaccination. Question number 58. Which blood component transports hormones? Your options are plasma, RBCs, WBCs, or platelets? And the right answer is A, that is plasma. Plasma carries hormones from glands to target organs through the bloodstream. Question number 59. Which blood disorder is a cancer of WBCs? Your options are leukemia, anemia, hemophilia, or thrombosis. The right answer is A, that is leukemia. Leukemia is uncontrolled proliferation of abnormal WBCs, impairing immunity and normal blood cell production. Question number 60. Which cell type produces interferons? Your options are lymphocytes, RBCs, platelets, or neutrophils. The correct answer is A, that is lymphocytes. Interferons are proteins that inhibit viral replication produced by virus-infected lymphocytes. Question number 61. Which WBCs is important in fighting tuberculosis? Your options are monocytes, neutrophils, eosinophils, or platelets. The correct answer is A, that is monocytes. Monocytes turn into macrophages that engulf Mycobacterium tuberculosis. They are vital in chronic infections. Question number 62. Which part of hemoglobin binds oxygen? Your options are globin chain, hemigroup, plasma membrane, or nucleus. The right answer is B, that is hemigroup. The iron atom in the hemigroup binds oxygen nucleus molecules in the lungs and releases them in tissues. Question number 63. Which WBC has granules containing histamine? Your options are basophils, monocytes, RBCs, or lymphocytes. The right answer is A, that is basophils. Basophil granules store histamine released during allergic responses. Question number 64. Which blood cell plays no role in immune defense? Your options are RBCs, lymphocytes, neutrophils, or monocytes. The correct answer is A, that is RBCs. RBCs are specialized for oxygen transport, not for fighting pathogens. Question number 65. Which WBC can cross into tissues and return to the blood? Your options are eosinophils, lymphocytes, platelets, or RBCs. The correct answer is B, that is lymphocytes. Lymphocytes circulates between blood, lymph, and tissues for continuous immune surveillance. Question number 66. Which blood disorder causes prolonged clotting time? Your options are hemophilia, leukemia, anemia, or polycythemia. The correct answer is A, that is hemophilia. Hemophilia is caused by deficiency of clotting factors, leading to excessive bleeding. Question number 67. Which WBC attacks large parasites by releasing toxic proteins? Your options are eosinophils, neutrophils, monocytes, or basophils. The correct answer is A, that is eosinophils. Eosinophils attach to parasite surfaces and release enzymes to kill them. Question number 68. Which organ stores platelets? Do you remember the question? This question was asked in top 5 rapid fire question list. Let's go for the answers. Your options are liver, spleen, kidney, or bone marrow. And the right answer that you already thought, that is spleen, option number B. The spleen stores about 1/3 of the body's platelets and releases them when we need it. Question number 69. Which WBC is part of the innate immune system? Your options are neutrophils, B lymphocytes, plasma cells, or memory T cells. The correct answer is A, that is neutrophils. Neutrophils provide a rapid, non-specific defense against pathogens. Question number 70. Which blood cell increases in typhoid fever? And this question also is a part of rapid fire questions. Let's look at the answers. Monocytes, lymphocytes, neutrophils, or eosinophils. The correct answer is A, that is monocytes. Monocytosis is a feature of chronic bacterial infection like typhoid. Question number 71. Which WBC can live only a few hours in circulation? Your options are neutrophils, memory cells, monocytes, or NK cells. The correct answer is A, that is neutrophils. Neutrophils have a short lifespan, quickly reaching infection sites and dying after fighting pathogens. Question number 72. Which protein gives plasma its yellow color? Your options are globulin, bilirubin, albumin, or hemoglobin. The right answer is B, that is bilirubin. Bilirubin from hemoglobin breakdown gives plasma its pale yellow tint. Question number 73. Which blood cell is essential for adaptive immunity? Your options are lymphocytes, platelets, neutrophils, or monocytes. The correct answer is A, that is lymphocytes. Adaptive immunity depends on lymphocytes recognizing specific antigens. Question number 74. Which WBC has a horseshoe-shaped nucleus? Your options are monocyte, eosinophil, basophil, or NK cells. And the right answer is A, that is monocyte. Monocytes have a kidney or horseshoe-shaped nucleus for easy identification under a microscope. Question number 75. Which blood cell is increased in leukemia? Your options are WBCs, platelets, RBCs, or plasma cells. And the correct answer is A, that is WBCs. Leukemia is characterized by abnormal proliferation of WBCs. Question number 76. Which cell releases histamine in tissues? Your options are muscles, platelets, neutrophils, or monocytes. And the correct answer is A, that is mast cells. Mast cells in connective tissue release histamine during allergic and inflammatory responses. Question number 77. Which blood cell transport carbon dioxide mainly? Friends, this question was asked in the rapid fire. Let's see what answer did you think. Your options are RBCs, platelets, WBCs, or plasma cells. The right answer is A, that is RBCs. Most CO2 carbon dioxide is carried in RBCs as bicarbonate or bound to hemoglobin. Question number 78. Which WBC helps in graft rejection? Your options are cytotoxic T cells, neutrophils, basophils, or monocytes. The right answer is A, that is cytotoxic T cells. These cells destroy transplanted tissue cells recognized as a foreign? Question number 79. Which blood component maintains osmotic pressure? Your options are albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, or hemoglobin. The right answer is A, that is albumin. Albumin prevents excessive fluid loss from blood vessels into tissues. Question number 80. Which blood cell is most affected in AIDS? This question was also asked in the rapid fire list. The options are helper T lymphocytes, neutrophils, monocytes, or platelets. The right answer is A, that is helper T lymphocytes. Helper T lymphocytes, HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, infects and destroys CD4 plus T helper cells, weakening immunity. Question number 81. Which condition is caused by abnormal hemoglobin shape? Your options are sickle cell anemia, polycythemia, hemophilia, or thalassemia. The correct answer is A, that is sickle cell anemia. Abnormal hemoglobins S makes RBCs sickle-shaped, causing blockages and anemia. Question number 82. Which WBC increases in allergic asthma? Your options are eosinophils, monocytes, neutrophils, and NK cells. The correct answer is A, that is eosinophils. Eosinophils release inflammatory mediators in asthma. Question number 83. Which blood cell lacks DNA? Your options are RBCs, platelets, WBCs, or neutrophils. The right answer is A, that is RBCs. RBCs lost their nucleus and DNA during maturation. Question number 84. Which WBC fights viral infection without prior exposure? Your options are NK cells, B lymphocytes, neutrophils, or monocytes. The correct answer is A, that is NK cells. NK cells attack infected cells without needing antigen presentation. Question number 85. Which blood cell is targeted in malaria? Your options are RBCs, WBCs, platelets, or plasma cells. The right answer is A, that is RBCs. Plasmodium parasites invade and destroy RBCs during malaria. Question number 86. Which WBC has wild bed nucleus and red granules? Your options are eosinophils, neutrophils, basophils, or monocytes. And the right answer is A, that is eosinophils. Eosinophils have a distinct below bed nucleus and red staining granules with eosin dye. Question number 87. Which plasma protein acts as an antibody? Your options are globulin, albumin, fibrinogen, or hemoglobin. Right answer is A, that is globulin. Immunoglobulins are antibodies that defend against infections. Question number 88. Which WBC shows high count in bacterial meningitis? Your options are neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, or eosinophils. The right answer is A, that is neutrophils. Neutrophils rapidly increase in severe bacterial infections like meningitis. Question number 89. Which WBC removes dead cells? This question was asked in rapid fire. Let's look at the answer. Macrophages, basophils, NK cells, and platelets. What was the answer? The right answer is A, that is macrophages. Macrophages clean up dead cells and debris during tissue repair. Question number 90. Which blood cell helps repair blood vessel walls? Your options are platelets, RBCs, WBCs, or NK cells. The right answer is A, that is platelets. Platelets release growth factors that aid in healing blood vessel walls. Question number 91. Which WBC destroys infected body cells? Your options are cytotoxic T cells, neutrophils, eosinophils, or monocytes. The correct answer is A, that is cytotoxic T cells. These T cells kill virus-infected and cancer cells. Question number 92. Which blood cell count increases in leukemia? Your options are WBCs, platelets, RBCs, or plasma cells. The right answer is A, that is WBCs. Leukemia causes excessive production of immature WBCs. Question number 93. Which blood cell helps in clot retractions? Your options are platelets, RBCs, WBCs, or monocytes. And the right answer is A, that is platelets. Platelets contract to shrink clots and bring bone edges closer. Question number 94. Which WBC kills bacteria with reactive oxygen species? Your options are neutrophils, eosinophils, NK cells, and monocytes. The right answer is A, that is neutrophils. Neutrophils release reactive oxygen species to destroy engulfed microbes. Question number 95. Which blood cell regulates immune suppression? Your options are regulatory T cells, NK cells, neutrophils, or platelets. And the right answer is A, that is regulatory T cells. These T cells suppress overactive immune responses to prevent autoimmune diseases. Question number 96. Which blood cell survives longest in circulation? Your options are memory lymphocytes, neutrophils, platelets, or monocytes. The right answer is A, that is memory lymphocytes. Memory lymphocytes can live for years maintaining immunity. Question number 97. Which WBC is increased in Ebola? Your options are lymphocytes, neutrophils, monocytes, or eosinophils. The right answer is A, that is lymphocytes. Viral infection like rubella raise lymphocyte count. Question number 98. Which WBC produces antibodies in secondary immune response? Your options are plasma cells, neutrophils, monocytes, or basophils. Right answer is A, that is plasma cells. Plasma cells produce large amounts of antibodies upon re-exposure to an antigen. Question 99. Which blood component transport nutrients? Your options are plasma, RBCs, WBCs, or platelets. The right answer is A, that is plasma. Plasma carries glucose, amino acids, and vitamins to body cells. Question number 100. Which blood cell changes into dendritic cells? Is it monocytes, platelets, neutrophils, or is it NK cell? The right answer is A, that is monocytes. Monocytes can differentiate into dendritic cell, which present antigens to T cells. Friends, it's a time to comment your score out of 50 questions. And friends, thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. If you enjoyed the quiz and learned something new, then give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming exploration of fascinating topics in the medical field. Until the next time, stay curious, stay healthy. See you. Take care.